Once more, hi everybody, this is Mr. Yasser from General Secondary School. Today I'm going to talk about something very important, but for third General Secondary School. Third General Secondary School. Okay, what I want to talk about today is, as you can see from the topic here or the title, I'm going to explain everything about causative. And the first question, what is causative? Causative means you ask someone to do something for you. Simply, you ask someone to do something for you. How can we express this sentence? Or how can we express this function? We can use two verbs. We can use the verb get and we can use the verb have. We can use the verb have. Let's have a look at these two examples. If I say, I cut my hair and I got my hair cut. Some of you may think that these two sentences are the same, but this is not true. This is not correct. Why? Because the first sentence, if you say, I cut my hair, this means that you cut your hair yourself. And it's something hard to be done. But the second sentence say, I got or had my hair cut. It means that someone else cut your hair for you. This is what we mean by causative. You ask someone to do something for you. Okay, what more? We can use the causative sentence in the affirmative form and we can use it in the passive form. How can we use it in the active form and how can we use it in the passive form? Let's have a look at these two sentences. If we say, I got Sam to decorate my room, be careful with the verb get right here. It's followed with Sam, and Sam is a person. Followed with to plus infinitive, and this is difference between get and have. Get followed with a person, to infinitive, but have followed with a person, and here is the affirmative. Okay, sorry, and here is the infinitive without to. So when we use get, person, to infinitive, we use have, person. Say it by yourself. Infinitive without to. Okay? And this is the active form. What about the passive form? The passive form, we use get or have followed with the object and the past participle. And the past participle, this is how we can differentiate between using the causative sentence active and using the causative sentence passive. Again, if we want to use it in the active form, we use get or have followed with a person to infinitive. But if we use have or whatever tense you want, here we said got and had. Both are in the past. It's okay. And by the way, the verb get and the verb have give you the form of the tense. It can be present, it can be past, it can be future, continuous, perfect, any tense you like. Any tense you like. It's okay. Here I used the past. I said I got and I had. Followed with a person. Be careful. A person. If we say get a person, followed with to infinitive. If we say I had, followed with a person, it's infinitive without to. Okay? This is the form of the structure. What about the difference in meaning? What's the difference between using get and using have meaningfully? Have a look at this. If we say get, person to infinitive, this means I convince it. Like this one. I got Sam to decorate my room. I got Sam to decorate my room. What does it mean? It means that I convinced Sam or I persuaded Sam to do something for me, which is decorating my room. The second sentence is I had Sam decorate. Had, person, infinitive without to. What does this mean? It means I forced Sam. I forced, أجبرته to do something for me. And this is for, remember, this is for active form. Active form, الشكل المعلوم. What about the passive voice? What about the passive tense? I got and had followed with the object, not a person. Got, had, followed with object, not a person. And both followed with the past participle. Past participle, not infinitive. This is the passive form. Number 1 and 2, active form, and this sentence is the passive form. When we use the passive, we use get or have, or got or had, according to the tense, as you know, followed with the object, not a person, followed with the object, followed with the past participle. Okay? Clear? Everything is clear right now. I'm going to summarize what I said again. What's the difference between active and passive concerning causative sentences? If we use have or get followed with a person, this is the active form. If we use get or have followed with the object, it means I am making a passive causative. It means I am making a passive causative. When we use get or have, get followed with the person, to infinitive, but have person, infinitive without to. This is the form. What about the meaning? Again, if we use get to infinitive, it means I convinced him. يعني أنا أقنعته بهذا الشيء. But if we say I had Sam decorate my room, it means I forced him to do this. Okay? And finally, for the last time, these are two active sentences using get or have, but this one is the passive form. Okay? I'm going to write another two examples. Okay? Have a look at this. If I say, I am getting married to repair my car. Okay? The second one is I am having married repair my car. Here, what's the difference between these two sentences? If I say, I am getting, this is present continuous. Am getting, am having, present continuous. And as I told you before, the verb get or have give me the form of the tense. Get or have give me or represent the tense of the sentence. Here we said, I am getting married. Married is a person. But with get, we say to repair. I am having married repair followed with infinitive. Okay? Clear? These two sentences give the active causative. I'm going to change it into passive. What are the thing here? The thing here is my car, and this is the object. I'm going to change it to passive voice. Again? Okay. I will say I am. If I say having or getting, in the passive voice both are the same. Why? Followed with the object. What is the object here? The object here is my car. I am having or getting, followed with the object which is my car, followed with the past participle from repair, repaired. And this is the passive form of the causative. Number 1 and 2, affirmative, active form. The second one is passive form. I think I covered everything about causative. If you have any questions, you can follow us on Ayyash Secondary School Vids. Thank you for your listening. I hope I got you something fruitful. See you again next vid. Thank you. Goodbye.